It should be on. Yep, we're good.
All right. Yeah, that was like my biggest takeaway. There's other things, of course. I played last night. I had a couple. I saw you over here. I had a couple. 3 games in there. Pretty good. The last thing was alright. One more forward back. kind of closed off enough, so you can pull it on the ball. Let it fly. Good. Feel different?
Maybe I opened a little early, or it didn't set up.
You get closer. So what happens
the ball. Good. I like that. You're catching a little less that time. You need even less of the ball than that. You need skill. Right? That's still a lot of the ball you're catching. Accelerate back left. Oh, there we go. Let's see the ball does. Right there. Now it's down the catch. Let's the ball. Let's the ball. Good. Exactly, right? Because you can catch the ball flat, and as you compress the ball, still there we go. Now we're getting that ball on the screen. Woo! Ooh, that's another good one. That's good. I got to put my confidence in there. The ball where you want it to go. How to have your options, how to have your thought process. Now we get to the advanced stuff of, like you're saying, more of the mechanic side. I want to get that ball up and down quick. I want to catch most of the ball. Let's do it. So if our target is, let's say that now my target is from there to, I don't know, here. What would I probably want to do with this one then? Hit more what? More of the ball.
With the top speed to keep it in.
Exactly. I want to get more through the ball then, right? So I want to get down faster. I'm getting
How did you feel? Because the other takeaway was, again, you can't really feel it.
outside my beats. So you probably felt you tried to hit a ball that's like not here, it's like out here, and you're like, oh, right? Yeah. Diminishing return. That's farther from your center, but it's not in your beats anymore. Now you can't use it around here. There it is.
My beat.
Yep.
Even right. Actually, that's like lag. That's how you get power in golf. You lag and then bam.
Come through. But a pickleball, I mean, we can, but I think that's really hard to time up.
Yeah.
I just don't think we need all of that.
Well, the ball's moving.
Yeah. Ball's also moving. It's way harder.
Stationary. Well, but on some of the balls that are in your hitting zone,
yeah,
and you're all set.
So like,
I watched my post. I'm like, who is that? Who's that person?
So what would you say singles
Singles tennis.
How their paddles already been
prepped.
And it's prepped. So by the time their feet get there, they're there. They don't run the ball. So that could be another thing that you're doing. Because I think your spacing will be easier if, boom, I want to hit my forehand right here. There's the ball. Boom, I'm already loaded. My spacing is going to kind of give it. So that's another like little. Where I want to hit. Now I see my feet where I want to hit. This is my pedal where I want to hit.
Yeah. Late and inside. Yeah, it totally makes sense. Yeah, I've been watching that option, especially single, kind of that split second to decide, do I want to hit the line cross quarter down the middle, because you're pretty there.
Want to watch pickleball player that over that picture? Watch the next one. Have you ever watched him play?
I watched him live last time I was. Two times.
Jack Socket fights the governor is going to come to mind that
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
right? You ever see them move when they're going inside out? They're like,
Yeah.
they're never going like this. And then loading up.
Yeah, dude came back against him twice. Connor.
I know.
That was hard to watch. Man, great for Connor. Because of the way it played out. But like you said, if you're gonna hit every ball and bring yourself off the court, you kind of work down. You know? Yeah. Have it.
Okay, so let's go with our inside in one now. So let's do a quick recap of what we're learning. And this target a little deeper. For this one,
Yeah.
so a little more what?
Ball.
A little bit more ball.
Content.
More ball. There we go. I like how you're getting set now. I don't think you were doing it before because the first one you tried to go to and you weren't doing it right away. You saw yourself. Good. Focus on your feet now and your legs. So you're a little straight up and down. I'm trying to hit the ball like that. More down below. With the ball with your legs too. There it is. Great shape. Accelerate more through the ball. No, accelerate more through it. More acceleration. Boom, beautiful. Beautiful, that's why you're back one right there. Good acceleration through the ball, right? Get there, set, accelerate. Oh, Sinatra, beautiful. Get there, accelerate. Good. Get there, set, accelerate. Nice job. Loving your feet right now. Your feet are setting the whole thing up. Right, you're loaded. See that? Beautiful job. Feet, accelerate. Oh, yes.
Right on target.
Yep. All right, here we go. Accelerate. Accelerate. Here we go, find it again. Boom, accelerate. There it was. Accelerate. Oh, don't decelerate. Accelerate. That's what happens. That's what you're talking about, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. There it is. Good. Good with the legs. With the front brake. Watch your feet, watch your feet. There's still a bump in there. Yes, there we go. Low up. Good. More, no, that was up to down. Low up. Yes, good. Low up. So low my paddle low. So low my paddle high. So as I'm moving, low. Up. Think Fed. Watch Fed hit his forehand or backhand volley. Good. And now keep the wrist firm. Low to up with a firm wrist. That's how you hit the little guy, firm wrist though. Firm wrist. Good. No. Not a firm wrist. Closer, but now don't be even with the ball. Focus. Under. Up. We're trying to get this ball and drive to the court. There it is. There it is. Under it, up it. Firm wrist. Yes, yes. Way to keep that wrist cocked firm. Beautiful. Good. 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 All right. Now, I got like 6 left. Let's stay on these ones. So I go forehand or backhand. Good. That's a good get. That's tough. Woo! That's a great one. Under. Up.
I just happened to get there.
Yeah.
What was that?
Yeah, your feet weren't solid, so I didn't feel good. You crossed over to go try to get there instead of right foot to left foot. Nope, right foot to left foot. There it is, space, move. Right foot to left foot, under, over. Right foot to left foot, under, over. Right foot to left foot, under, over. There it is, good. Right foot to left foot, under, over. Good. But now instead of this, let's go right foot to left foot, under, over. Good. Didn't like your feet like the under, over. Right foot to left foot, up. There it is. Last one was finally all of it. Now we'll do some of the ollie drop. It's sticky out here, isn't it? How about your bones down?
Oh, wow.
Jeez. Must be from the heat.